Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and today we will check what is the current and immediate future energies and what is happening with Capricorn. So for Capricorn it's a requested one, so let's see. So it will be a general reading, not as per your birth chart and all. If it resonates, you can go ahead and watch the entire video. If it doesn't, you can just ignore it. If it is resonating 50-50, like you can take something and you can go back to your birth chart as well and see the progression and the transition that is happening in your birth chart. All right, so Capricorn. So I actually don't remember what was it for Capricorns. Let's see. Queen of Wands, Eight of Wands, Five of Swords, Devil card, Ten of Wands. Capricorn, why always this? Why do you carry so much of burden which is not yours? Eight of Swords again. Bottom of the deck, Five of Cups. Why? So Capricorn, so Queen of Wands, you are quite confident, you are holding it, your energies, you are getting your family support. 1 second, baby, please.
Yeah, done.
No, 2 minutes. So, Eight of Wands is something like you're getting a lots and lots of family support. If you are in a relationship, you are getting a support from your boyfriend or husband or your partner. You are there are some worries still there. You are confused about not exactly. I can't say confused, but. It's more like an anxiety that I feel that you are going through. There will be something major shift will be there because a worry is and a devil card. So something will bound to go. If anybody is there in a toxic kind of relationship, the relationship will end for sure, and you will get your family support and friends support from your friends as well. If somebody you want to trust and you want to be a part of but it's not happening, release that burden, please. This is not something that burden you need to carry on, so you need to release this burden. Eight of Swords, it's a crossroad. You are stuck and you are constantly healing. It's a healing energy, but simultaneously you are feeling stuck. Means uh, mm, now, if I, for example, if I am feeling that, oh my God, what will happen? I don't know what to do. Immediately in the next moment, I feel, oh, I got this solution. I can come out of it. You understand this? It's like instant, immediate. Okay, so missing of the opportunities, missing of the life event, fun, satisfaction, joy, celebration, what I feel, and you are carrying a lots of burden. I don't know what burden you always do carry. You need to release it, my dear. There is nothing. No, your burden is something that you create because you prefer to get the anxiety and stress, something is not happening. Try to take a life a bit lightly, because at times what happen, if I meet 10 people, 10 people may not, out of 10 maybe 9 may not like me, or vice versa. Like I am not comfortable with those 9 people, but one person will be there whom I am comfortable with. So that's fine, because that is how we choose to be with friends, or we choose to be in a relationship where we don't know if you are not into it, you will not able to get it. So you need to understand that that is not your problem. You always think that something is not fit, something is not right, so has to be my fault. No, it's not your fault. So that is what the anxiety is. That is what the stress is. I'm unlucky, I'm not fit for this, I'm not fit for relationship, I'm not fit for a job, particular task that you are doing, and you are getting failure in that. So if you are thinking that, that is totally, you need to clear it out, please. So you can use any kind of soothing crystal, well, or you can also use aquamarine. It's okay. I'm sorry. So he needs to talk a lot. Okay. So Capricorn, what else? Six of Swords, help arriving. Magician card. So things will turn out according to you. As I said, you are worrying much more. See, this is amazing. I need to tell you this. It's beautiful combination. You see that divine intervention will be there, divine connection will be there. You will get what you want. You just stop worrying. That's it. You are worrying a lot, which is affecting your health. That I can see. Whatever task you are in, you are still not able to do that task properly, because your mind are cluttered with thoughts and anxiety. You are a bit scared, mixed feeling kind of thing going on. Scared. But I don't know why this is. Maybe you just need to release what is not yours, because you carry a lot of burden what is not yours. Temperance, peace, harmony, you know where to go. You are getting 10 of Pentacles. Family, money, everything will fall in place. This is just one more thing that I would tell you. Mercury is in retrograde mode, that might affect something. There is this is something, a stucking situation, you can say, where you know where to go, but you are getting some clicks on your opportunities, but you are not, you don't know how to move. You are trying your level best to move there, but somehow that you are not getting there. So you are more stressed about, you are feeling more stressed about it. You are constantly thinking, yes, I am giving my 100% effort, so what is it that I'm not getting there? So for that, fear is something, fear is a devilish energy, that I always say. So you need to get rid of fear. You are carrying someone else's burden, which you are not supposed to carry. And stop thinking that you are not capable of anything. You always think this is happening, you are too emotional also. You feel bad for something is happening to someone else who is no way related to you, but you are constantly thinking about them. You need to release this. So meanwhile you constantly thinking about it, what happens? You are blocking your own path as well. We don't want to block our own path. We need to move forward. We need to go ahead with it, right? Okay. So your immediate future, I will just one clarification of the devil card that I want to do. That's why I took the deck. The rest I told you. So why is this devil card here? I need the clarification for that. Transition, I said. Wow. So devil card is, you will release what is not yours, and you are going to open all the blockages. So do not block your bright, lovely future, please. Stop worrying about others. We can't control the entire world, we can't control the situations, we can't control people, but we can control ourselves, we can control our life. This is a very basic thing everybody says. I know that it's doing, if someone is having a nature to help always, or thinking about others, and getting peace by like someone else is happy, so I will be happy kind of person. So it's very difficult for them to move forward, and it's very difficult for them to ignore what is not their pain. So it's more like you need to ignore that. Of course, you don't need to be a part of what is not yours. You don't need to think, don't need to overthink. Not think over, you generally overthink. So Capricorn, everything is fine, everything is set, you are doing good, but the stucking position will go. You please do not block your pathways. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that whenever you are thinking and you don't know what to do, and the situation, you can't stop thinking about anything, but it's constantly hitting your mind and you are not able to process it. So let the thought process properly, and you can chant. There's a very powerful switch word, release resistance. You can chant no matter what, where you are, which situation you are in, irrespective of anything, just chant release resistance. I have shared this switch words in my previous videos as well. This works magical. So if it is not yours and you don't know how to get rid of stress or any kind of stucking position that you are in, you are trying very hard but there is no solution coming up, please chant release resistance. Okay, early in the morning, while eating, while sleeping, while going for a walk, while walking, you can chant anytime. Means anytime, it works magical. Chant for 3 days, then do comment what you feel and how this stress vanishes from your mind. Okay, so take care, don't stress, don't get into anything which is not related to you. Have a great day ahead. Thank you so much.